Alright. We are here. We are playing game.
We're back once more, and I'm gonna fall asleep by the end of the session.
More than likely.
Choices,
Alright.
choices.
I already made mine. Oh, you're using legendary skin?
Yeah, probably not like legendary skin.
Oh, shoot, I'm locked in.
Oh, you're locked?
Yeah.
Well, should I go railgun or bandit?
Yeah, go railgunner. We'll keep it different.
Yeah. I think we're good.
Yeah, because you usually rock railgunner. Well,
Yeah.
you've gotten really good at railgunner. Granted, it's been... How long has it been since we played this?
It's been a while. I haven't played this in a while, but especially together, and we get Siphon Forest. Awesome!
I absolutely do not hate this map whatsoever. Alright.
Perish. Oh.
I have no idea how bad my frame rate's going to be on the recording. Or just in general. I apologize to anyone who decides to watch this.
I have no idea what mine's gonna look like either, but at the moment, I'm not getting any items whatsoever.
We ball, basically.
And we get friggin' sky rats. Hang on, I'm gonna look
To
and see if it's actually recording my. No, it's not. Hang on.
To like
Okay.
the 3 people who watch this video, we've played this game for a long time.
Okay. I finally have my mic working for once.
Oh, that's good.
So, yeah, the entire time I was just silent while recording.
To all the professionals who play this game, who just so happened to come across this video,
Look away.
look away. We are not the people you want to watch.
Just
Oh, that's
cover your
a
eyes and
lot.
ears for this entire video, but watch the video. Oh man, we both challenged him out, and I realized.
Fine. It's only
Oh well. What?
Oh,
Spawn camping. They're literally bad. Oh, sky rats.
God, I love that ability. It's so good.
Have we found the portal yet?
I don't think so. I haven't even gotten a single item yet.
Actually, I think I see it. It's right over there. Right over there.
Okay, let's wait until I get something. I'm naked over
I'm
here.
just gonna chill around the teleporter, so I'm already ready.
The freaking crits from behind is not necessary. They don't. I don't think they have.
Freaking crits with the charge shot
That's
with
broken.
railgunner. That's insane, but it's so much fun. Because the friggin' hitboxes are huge.
Could you imagine if we actually like shared passive abilities? How?
Oh.
If there was like a relic for that or something. Where are the items? There's like none of them.
That's nothing. I haven't got anything yet.
You have one item.
I do actually, yeah. But that was just make me shoot faster.
Well, still. At least you got something.
Yeah.
It's probably gonna be a while before we actually like get good stuff. I forgot how long it kind of takes in these early stages. Oh.
Got one.
I got the other, but yeah, you got him. Man, there is like no chests. It's all just containers.
I'm going far away so I get my own kind of enemies. I hear footsteps.
It's like
Foxy?
it's literally just all freaking containers. That's all it is. Oh god. Oh great, 2 of them really?
I don't think we've had this bad of a start before.
It seems like there was a. Oh, that's right. Oh, that's right. They have less health but do more. Oh, enemies drop items. Okay.
Yeah, enemies do drop items.
No, I'm gonna do AP. I'm gonna do AP. I forgot we were playing
It's fair.
the fun way, or what we think is fun.
Oh shoot, hang on.
Okay, I got. Oh, that's right. We don't count super abilities.
Oh yeah.
don't we?
Oh yeah. Oh, what I
Uh-oh.
really need this. I need this. Where is it? Where
Did
is
you
it? What can I? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah, we don't count super abilities, don't we? All right, I have a. No, we don't. We don't usually. For those watching, we usually go back and forth on items. Oh, why did I get that? What am I doing? Really should be getting. Was it crowbars? That was like the first hit.
Oh,
one?
crowbars were insane, but what you need is the scythe. Do you have a scythe yet?
No,
Harvester scythe. Yeah, harvester scythe. You need. Just collect it, and you'll see what I mean.
Well, what variant is that?
It's green, I believe.
Okay. Ugh. I forgot we don't have chess because we're not playing chess.
No.
My whoopsie. All right. I think.
No. We got no chest. We got no hair in chest. We got no nut.
God, this horror ability is just busted. Oh, green item. I need that.
Green item. You're gonna take that. All right. And I got a lunar gold.
Oh,
and a blue.
Oh, crit strikes heal you. That's okay. I see why you said that.
Yeah. I'm glad you saw that.
Bam. Okay, so we both. Okay, you got 2 greens. So I
think we're pretty good. You want to just fight? You want to fight the boss?
Yeah. Skyrat's ult. Oh, did I hear an item drop?
Yep.
Oh, it's a white. Oh, okay, green, white. Okay.
And you'll take your green. I'll take the white. All right.
Fusion. I
When
can
I
see
get
your
faster
track.
attack.
I can see your little bullets tracking.
Yeah.
Check recording. Oh, right. Seems okay to me. All right, let's roll.
Hit it. I'm charging up my ultra shot.
Deal clean. Oh, that's right. There's a lot of them.
Oh, I did it too freaking late. Okay.
Oh, there's a lot of them.
Charging up ultra shot right now. Alright, that was fun. Oh man, there is a lot of them. Oh, there is a lot of them.
Skyrats.
Oh, there's a lot of
bees.
bees.
I don't remember bees.
There are bees? Since when?
I really need ukulele. I heard item drop.
So the Beetle Queen. One more shot. Come on. There we go.
I got knocked.
Oh, you're down. Oh, come
no,
on.
not down. Grab my reboot card.
Oh,
Yeah, we're gonna have to really divvy up these items.
The storm's coming in. Oh yeah. Okay. What you need is the blood thing. What's it called?
That's right. The
liver-looking one. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh shoot, was that the crystal or is that the red
No,
one?
it's the second one, I believe. The second one up. Yep.
Critical strike. Oh my god!
Yeah, you need that. You need that badly. Wait, I think I make critical strike, so I should get that too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I need that bad.
Yeah, we're gonna have to divvy out these items.
All right, let's.
Yeah, that's right. You forgot. You got aimbot. All right, so.
Okay, shit.
I don't remember what's good and what's not for this guy.
I'm getting a
I'll take
wax quail just because I'm gonna need it eventually. Ukulele.
I'll get leech seed. Okay, wait, okay. So you're on 1, 2, 4. 2, 3. Okay, I need another. Wait. Oh, you're at 5. I'm only at 3 for green. You hoarder.
Hey man, I'm just trying to live.
There was a song like that. I think. I don't remember if it was next round or third round where we just kind of go all out. Like
Yeah,
whatever.
it's usually the
works.
next round. It's usually the next round.
Yeah, I think I should probably take a couple more green items when we get over there.
Hang on, I'll be right back.
Oh man. I'll defend you as best I can. Oh, wow. Oh, you said you're gonna be right back. Oh, item drop. I think. Jeez. Oh, wow. Okay, boss is there. Ooh. see a shrine. Oh yeah, I forgot I have a Q ability. Well, I used it, but... Oh! I heard an item drop. I'm hearing enemy spawn and I do not like it. Oh, Ah. Oh, dang, I thought that was an enemy. Yeah, I'm getting like no green items this game. Speak of the devil. What was this? Shield generator as well. Oh, what the? Oh!
Sister is one horse state, which is a lot of fun.
Okay.
But they're also competing tomorrow, so yeah. But I'm back.
He's back, everyone.
Snipe.
Yeah, I think
Wait a minute, is that where the portal is, or no? There's another challenge mountain. There's another
Oh yeah, no,
mountain challenge there.
So we really doing that again?
Yeah. Yeah, of course. Nimble.
I forgot how much I like some of these items.
Oh, I almost got him.
Man, that is a move. Oh, they are all dead. Okay.
Oh yeah, fun stuff.
Yeah.
Guess how many items I got from that?
Nothing.
Oh.
Oh, you're getting a lot of speed shots, I'm noticing.
Oh yeah, those are really good for.
Item there. You're looking a bit thin there.
What command essence?
Yeah, it's an item. Well, fine. If you ain't gonna take it, I will.
Oh, I almost got them. Look out, look out, look out. I got him. Don't worry.
The crit glasses.
Woo! Fine.
Might as well get crit glasses so I crit more.
Okay, I definitely need a Harpy's Feather because, man, I'm struggling
That's
with
a
these
hoopoo feather.
non-double jumps. Ow! First I'll get that, though.
Oh, dang it. He didn't die.
The entire feed is just amps picked up this, amps picked up that.
Ah, you pick up
What about
items then.
Jbone picking up it?
I could say skill issue. The hell is that? Oh.
Oh, I heard. Oh, dang it. Once again, equipment drops.
I'm just hearing the bass drop every time you fire that thing. Wasn't it like a 30 times in a row for an achievement or something like that? Green.
I think it was like 25 maybe.
Too many, anyway.
Feather.
Oh, yeah, forgot I have one, even though I really don't need it. No, I like aerial kind of.
And you got it recently. You're good if you forgot. I'm
we
hearing
ready?
something. Oh, is it them? I can't believe I missed that.
Yeah, this is very interesting going from the original over to this one, or this one over to the original rather.
The original's 2D, so.
Yeah, it's also very pixelated.
That too. Perish, everyone.
Also very interesting how rare items can get in that game. Was this good? I don't remember. Yeah, not terrible.
Getting AP rounds as well.
I should grab that.
Heal me.
No, that's gray item. That's right. Or white item, whatever.
Whatever it is.
Certain color on the gray scale. That's not on the darker end. Ooh.
Give me that.
Leeching seed.
See, yeah, this is why the second round is usually the all-out one.
Yeah.
This is when we really start getting items.
Yep.
These guys
there's
keep
a
jumping.
ability item there. Pretty already got one. I didn't mean to. That. Is what I meant to do. Dang it, you got in my way.
There's a what item? Oh, I'm already using rockets.
Oh, good.
I'm not sure what else could be useful for a railgunner, honestly.
I'm just gonna look. I kind of forgot some of these. Yeah, I don't care about any of them really. Fight boss.
Let's get rid of these guys first, then we can, yeah.
Oh wait, I want to get more AP rounds. Alright. My brother is making pizza rolls.
Oh yeah, I'm having chips. Alright, let's get it.
Let's get it. Oh, wow.
Holy, oh, I hate the hitboxes on these guys. They're all at the end of their tentacles.
Really? That's the hitboxes?
That's the hitboxes. Uh-oh. I hate these guys' attacks so much.
Well, I'm staying way over here. I feel like Wandering
that's
Bargain
fair,
is kind of
don't-
like the only boss where all of a sudden you just get killed for no reason.
Yep,
Yup,
and that's almost the same thing here.
Yup, absolutely.
I 100% agree with that statement.
Oh, there's one over there.
Charging. Hey, get out of here.
Ow.
Okay.
Alright, that was another one down.
We have a few more. I'm not
Red
worried.
Varget down.
Oh, they're way over there. There's so many more. Okay. There we
Okay, good, I'm alive. Alright, let's divvy these things out. Oh, there's only one
getting-
yellow item. Who's getting it? Yeah, I'm right here. Might as well.
go. There's only one. No, there should be two.
This is the only one right here. What's this one? Oh, right. Chance to hit cause lightning strike. I forgot about that one.
What the heck, bro?
My higher crit chance. That's right. We haven't come across any void items yet.
Oh, that's
Lot of
true.
good items here. Oh, hi.
I feel like they come up later anyway.
Yeah, crowbar was first hit, wasn't it?
Not 90%. 90% health.
High damage hits also blast enemy with runic ice. Ooh! That's kind of useful.
Oh yeah, Topaz Brooch is gonna be really good late game. Keep that in mind.
Oh, yeah. Topaz. That's a gray item. God dang it.
Yes.
What's this one? Oh, yeah, crit. Oh, crit strikes increased attack speed.
Oh boy.
You might want to get that. That's the war hat one. War hat looking one. I don't know.
Oh
what
yeah,
it's called.
I remember that one.
Here, you need some items. You're looking a bit thin over there.
Don't worry, I got some here. This. Increase attack speed, yep. I need this badly. Because I'm gonna be
I'm getting
firing
sad.
at the wazoo. AP run.
Yeah, it was the crowbar that was for like first hits or something like that, wasn't it?
Crowbar is 90%.
So yeah, basically first hit.
Almost, yeah, pretty much.
Alright.
Flat damage.
Alright. Alright. I gotta get more mobility items.
Ooh, an item. Oh. We'll make it up later. Oh, I hate this so much.
This map.
Void seed.
Oh, yep, we gotta divvy them out. Remember, look for the triangles.
I'm going in and I'm launching rockets.
Here, have a boost. I hate this place. Oh god, I heard I'm hearing void teddy bears. I'm gonna go.
I'm seeing them up. Oh, it's the freaking sky rats as the void.
Ugh.
Don't worry, we got a few. Oh, I see where one of them is, and I see where one of them isn't.
Dang it! I tried to go trap shooting with one of them. It didn't work.
I see one. Destroyed. Now where are the rest of them? Oh, they're still up there. Okay,
still one.
I'm flying.
Okay,
I see
got a
him.
blast.
It's a rat. Rat. Dang it! It's a rat. Stop shooting me!
God, there's so many triangles.
There's so many triangular prisms, and I learned that one in school.
Oh, wait, there's the bug. You little. Got it.
Good, good. All right, look at how many there are. I see one.
Yeah, I see one by
over
me.
there. But I'm gonna look underground and see if there are any more.
Yeah, there's one up here.
I'm looking underground and not seeing any more. Is there no more up there?
Not that I can tell. Just the one. I'll grab it then.
Okay, I'm going a bit further this way.
What do you want,
Nah,
Tucker?
I'm not finding anything. What are the options?
Ooh.
What are the options?
I'm getting teddy bear. Block next
That's
source of
fair.
damage. Crowbar. I should have got breach. God dang it.
Bah.
Tucker.
Oh, come on. Okay, what do I want? I get more AP rounds. Get out of here.
Oh, I need breach. What, Tucker? What do you want? Oh, there was a couple enemies over there, apparently.
I'm here to talk about violence against children. It is a big no-no. Get the fuck out.
There. Language. Ooh, what do you mean?
It's fine. You can make a Super Mario noise behind it.
I'm gonna keep it $1.50 with you. I don't know what editing software to use.
Pretty sure you literally have a software pre-built into your thing that's literally just called video editing.
Oh, I didn't know.
Oh, Super Mocha.
This is who is
Let's go.
creating the video, ladies and gentlemen. Man who doesn't even know how to make video.
Let's go.
Oh, I fell. I'm good.
Give me this. Give me this. Explode even more.
That's crazy though. Only one item. Uh oh, the triangles. And they're dead.
Done for. Done for.
I freaking hate the triangles in this map. Oh, that means it's gonna be the.
Possibly.
Actually, I don't even remember what boss it would be. Whoa! What? What do you want, Tucker? My cat keeps meowing at me. I don't like it.
Decisions. Oh, hello.
What? I'm making a video, bud. Not even just any video, but literally the first video besides the update.
Have we even found? Oh no, I see it.
Oh, what?
Teleporter.
Oh.
I was literally over there. And now I am over there. I see you up there. Now I don't.
Oh, I called forth a bolt of lightning. Alright, ready?
Yeah, might as well. Oh, no, Mosquito Queen. Alright, now I get the yellow item. You go away.
Yeah.
I have no idea what to get, though.
First real issue.
Dang it! What to get? What do I get? What do I get?
I love chaining enemies.
What do you think I should get?
I don't know.
Okay,
Could get that one that gives you extra health.
that's fair. Boost health and regeneration.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. I know what you be saying.
What? I was outside the radius game. Oh, I love the revolver shot. It's so good. Man,
Oh, that is fun.
oh. I like the sound of that. You have your nice charge shot. I just whip out the revolver. The big iron. I'm sorry.
Big iron on his hip.
Tried to match the Arizona Ranger with the bigger iron on his hip. Oh, there's a lot of people up here.
Alright, well, the teleporter's ready.
Big iron on his hip. There at.
Oh, you got him, yep. Oh, hello there.
I just see you dust him. Alright, we good?
I think so.
I just realized my character looks cluttered.
Bye-bye.
You know, I think we should go for boss so I can round out the recording nice and well. Once we get there! Okay, wait, who's getting red item in this level?
That's a great question.
Here,
Who needs it?
I don't know. You should probably...
Yeah, you can get it, you can get it.
Alright. I was about to say let's flip the coin, but okay. Oh, was this the level with the mushroom?
Oh, I found void seed.
Oh, okay. You get next item. We gotta figure out how many there are, actually.
Oh.
Okay. Ow. First of all, ow.
There we go, now I got it.
Oh my god, a little dusting.
Irish, I found a random red item. This is mine. I'm taking it.
Alright, well I guess I am getting the chest then.
Oh yeah, I'm getting this 100%.
Okay, I found, there's 2 of them. At least, I can't quite tell.
Oh yeah, I'm so hyped about this item. I see one, I see 2. One there, one there and one there.
I got one
There's
over
2 here. And I got one over here. We'll each take one. Ow. Anyways.
Missiles!
Now to figure out what I get. Oh, how exciting.
I'm gonna get the rocket launcher as well, so we can absolutely break this game in half.
Teddy bear.
Yeah, the void bear. Alright, well I guess I gotta save my pennies.
Okay, whenever I get greens now, I'm gonna have to get harpy feathers.
They're not harpy
Bro,
feathers.
you're surrounded by wits.
Yeah, and they died in 2 hits. Alright.
Give me green items. Come on.
Chest should be down here. Boing. I just shot at nothing. Don't clip that.
Congratulations.
I just shot my own shadow. Don't clip that.
Take that out of the recording.
Oh no!
Oh no!
The chest is not here.
No, it's up top of the tree.
Oh, it's atop the tree. Oh, you found it?
There's multiple spawns. There's multiple
Oh.
spawns for it.
Okay, I didn't know that.
It's 23,000, so good luck.
Oh, it's 23,000.
Yes. No, 2,300. My bad.
Oh, you.
2,300.
I was about to say that seems awfully high.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna be challenging some monsters. Ah.
Alright.
Oh, Greater Whisk, awesome.
Item drop.
And I got more Greater Whisk. Okay.
And
Perish.
oh.
Get over it.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, pear.
Oh my god, I just sniped that guy.
Harpy feathers and fire. I see.
Uh-oh. I don't know what just happened. Just kind of waiting. Oh, I have enough.
Couple of fast brooches, I guess.
Alright. Oh,
Fire.
shoot. No, it was this one. Yeah, all this one's there. Yeah, that's right. Okay, we're good. We're balling. Ow.
I'm good.
Interesting. I love hitting enemies from, like, across the map. How many tougher times do I have? 4. Okay, bosses. Why is the boss, like, always over there?
Well, who knows? We get rid of these guys first.
Let's see what's up here. That. Wonder how many ICBMs you could, or whatever the heck that. What is that even called?
My
Yeah, it is an
goodness.
ICBM. Okay. Pocket ICBM. Easy. Ready?
Yes.
Alright.
The challenge of the mountain begin.
Oh no.
Oh, great.
Oh, the frame drops.
Man, I had a lot of fun with that boss battle. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah. Oh god, all the items are freaking clustered. Uh-oh. I got 2
You
of
picked
them
up
at
the
it.
Hoopa feather.
Oh, shoot. Sorry.
My Hoopa. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go.
Just shot my own shadow, don't
Look
clip
at
that.
me. Look at me. Just look up.
I
Come
can
on.
just see your name way up there.
Teleported me back down.
Makes sense.
Bah!
Yeah, I think the revolver might be a tad bit broken. Ding dong. Especially with the random crits, that's probably the best part.
Ding dong, the witch is dead. Ta-da.
Ta-da! I just sworn you could like open the guy's bags or something like that.
No, that's scavenger. These were different.
I heard a weird noise. That was awfully loud.
Yeah, it was me stomping someone.
Oh Jesus!
What did you just do? Just slam a metal pan against your
I
microphone.
tried to lift up my hand so I could like stretch it, and then I accidentally hit my mic stand.
Fire.
Oh. So Slate. Oops. Bet that
Slight
sounds
whoopsie daisy.
Bet that sounds real fun.
Hello.
Recording.
Hang on, there's a wisp here.
Oh my
Alright,
god! I just saw damage numbers.
Got it.
Oh, there was like 3 of them grouped up.
I got the one that was
it-
posing most of a threat to us.
All right, I don't remember.
Oh, we got grandparents.
The line, yeah, Moon is boss, ain't it?
Yes, yes, yes. As long as we don't rearrange the thing.
Yeah. Grandpa is not happy.
Grandpa, I told you to
He's
take your
throwing
pills.
rocks?
Well, yeah, it's a giant. It's literally giant. You don't. If you were a giant, you wouldn't just take a giant boulder and just huck it as far as you can. Come on.
Oh my.
Oh, of course we get a golden statue then too.
How much is it? Oh, it's expensive, wency.
We wouldn't be able to go to it either way
Why?
because then we'd have to skip the boss.
Oh, that's right.
I'm surprised I hit that.
What was this one? Oh yeah, crit strikes. Comes back. Probably don't need that. God, I love this character. Oh no, it's the fungus. Uh-oh, lizards.
Found him.
Lizards scare me.
Got one.
I got one.
I got another one.
Frickin', I don't remember which Lego. It was a Lego Island game, and the character and frickin' Pepperoni. Whenever there was like, this like mini game where you're like on a like a truck, and you had to like shoot snakes and all that, and every time you hit one of the snakes, it was just I got one. I got one. Oh no.
Don't you dare. Alright.
Alright.
Ow! Now you get hit by rocks.
I hope we win this fight. Usually we do, but...
Go!
Oh, and a lot of them. Damage numbers. I'm just healing. I was just constantly healing throughout that entire thing. I'll take it.
Hello.
Ooh. You'll love to see it.
Whee! Coming down for real.
Yeah, it's like Monsoon, he actually uses your items, doesn't he? Mithrix?
He uses your items no matter what.
Oh. Lean items. As we call them. Because we are idiots and I think it's funny. The lead item. Weed eater. Weed eater. That's a... Oh, okay. Could you imagine if you were engineer with the missiles?
It'd be quite scary, I must say.
That would be a very, very quick Mithrix fight, like last time. I remember those days.
Yo.
And that's when we realized the power of the purple missiles.
Either that or we just overloaded since we had like 72 each.
We did?
We all had a lot of this.
But yeah, plus I think one of us had like 2 ICDMs or something like that.
I think that was you.
Oh. Yeah, I think that was me. Yeah, because I had the missile item as well. Well, the ability. That's satisfying. Where's the boss?
Oh, hey, an item.
I just realized how few of void items we got this round.
Not a whole lot, but usually we play for hours on it.
Granted. Yeah, where's the boss?
It's a great question, actually. I've not been paying attention. Gup, gup, gup,
Damage numbers!
Ooh, a lunar coin.
Oh my god, we were wombo comboing the enemies. They didn't even get to like fully hit the ground when they were in the air. Yeah, guess we gotta go boss hunting. I gotta try using the rifle someday. The alternate primary for Bandito Dorito, as Badger would probably call him. The devastating power behind a single shot of a revolver. So satisfying.
Alright, I'm in.
Alright. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, I forgot I had two
It's
blue
right
feathers
here.
because I stole one.
Yeah. Thanks.
My bad. My bad.
Anyways, the portal's just to the right over here.
Hold up, I got an item. Just shot my own shadow, don't clip that. I love that.
It's time to.
Oh, there's.
It's time to go to work, man.
Hold up. Alright.
Alright.
Feels like
Come
a
on,
grandfather.
grandparents, where you at? Never mind. Like, way easier.
Robots.
And they're gone.
Oh, there's an A.
I didn't think we were gonna survive that one.
Yeah, that was really up in the air, I gotta say.
Real toss-up. Anyways. More explosions. I
Alright.
swear, I just saw another one. What the heck?
The Legion of Missiles.
Aha.
Where the enemies at? Oh,
I don't know, but I found a few.
Ooh, ability. I'm gonna swap out for missiles. Swap.
Bro, topaz brooches are fun.
I can tell. It's also nice that you have aimbot. How many do you have?
How many what?
Oh, you only got 3. Yeah, I only got 3 as well. Yeah, but you keep killing enemies.
Oh. Yeah. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Turns into albino bear.
Alright, let's get the frick out of here.
We should probably leave.
The frick.
Get
The
the
noob.
fuck week out of here.
The
See ya.
noob. The meat. Yup, still recording.
Chris, where
The bacon are we?
Let me check if I. Yeah, I'm still. Wanna know why? Because it's got a red circle.
I'm just hoping I don't run out of space.
Coming down for real.
Didn't mean to hoopoo it. God dang it. I just shot my shadow. No one clipped
Oh,
that.
dang it. No one clipped that.
Should I got more mobility items? I am slow.
Gone. Dang it, there's a shield. Chose shurikens on purpose?
Maybe. God, I forgot. It's been a while. I haven't played this game in forever.
That's fair.
I
That's fair.
forgot what items did what. And I thought the
I'm flying. Look upwards.
Ah, dang it, shield. Oh my! I nearly one-tapped the big
I
turret
did
guy.
damage to him. Gone. Alright.
I should have got more crowbars. Oh,
Well, don't go for him. He's already falling to his death.
I just see it. I just see a singular crit hit marker.
I'm so slow.
Item.
I mean, no offense in any way.
Oh, there is a lot of enemies.
Alright, here we go. Oh gosh, that's a lot of enemies. Let's send up them missiles.
Uh-oh.
Perish and go away and probably perish at the same time.
Uh-oh, he says. He absolutely massacres the boss.
And they're gone. Now we wait. Ow! Stop it. Stop. Get out of here. Ow. Let me collect.
The flame parts are what scare me.
Yeah, they've killed me plenty of times. Okay, good job.
Wasn't there an item that increased your jump height or something like that?
I mean, so there's a red item that increases jump height, and I got it
It's a red item though.
because it is insanely good.
Okay, it's 5. Okay, yeah, it's 5 green items for a red item over here.
You fool!
Yeah, I ain't doing that though. I'm good.
Get out here! Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, roly poly oly.
It's the hokey pokey. They're turning themselves around.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Whip!
Why do we keep saying uh-oh?
I am literally not dying.
I literally take no damage.
Rise above. Rise above. Rise. Fool. Yeah, you too. You're shooting Tic Tacs at me. These guys, however, I'm a bit scared of.
The little roly poly oly guys.
Yeah. I hate roly polies. What? How's it going over there, R2? Wow!
Oh, that was Mario. That was even a good Mario. Let's go. It's me.
It's me, a Mario.
A Mario.
Alright, we got the pillars, but I'm gonna collect some items before I do anything else. So don't you be leaving without me, son.
What do you need all them hoopoo feathers for, anyway?
My item that I got, which makes me increase jump height, but if I hold down E, then it makes me slam down to the ground, and the higher I am, the more damage it does. And if I'm really up high in the air, it's an insta-kill for almost anything.
I see.
Yeah.
Wait, you sure we got all the pillars? Because that's still... Oh, we did get all the pillars, okay. Why is there one over here? Pillar of blood, what is the difference on that one?
Yeah, one.
Oh, that's right, that... Oh, wait. We don't even have to, I can't even activate it.
You don't need to do the pillars anymore. We just have to leave. Man, remember back when all we had to do was just run down a couple of things and hit a jump pad, and we were already at the boss fight instead of having to do a bunch of pillars? Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah, fuel cells, I should have been getting them.
I'm getting plenty of teddy bears.
God, I love... Oh! I just barely missed the jump, are you serious?
I see you.
Oh, there we go.
I'm hearing like big
big, eh? Everybody look out. He's
Ow.
carrying big.
Done for. Gone. Hit nothing. Nothing more.
Man, I got a lot of money.
Yeah.
Oh,
Gone.
hey, a lunar pod. Wait, was there items over here?
There were, but I collected them.
What? You didn't even tell me?
Well, I killed the enemies. I got them. Well, there's gonna be enemies. There's gonna be items. You should know this.
I really want to try the shaped glass, but I don't think that's a good idea.
I am going upwards infinitely now. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ready? 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 I'm about to come down. Right on top of you.
Wait, wasn't there a lunar item that was actually pretty dang good?
Shaped glass.
Not shaped glass. Yeah, it was a crown, I want to say. I'm not gonna risk it.
I'm over by the jump pad.
Mithrix, you got the guy you either die to in 5 minutes or 5 seconds. Boing.
Wah. This force field is
Wait,
impenetrable.
What did I
Oh.
block?
Did you block?
I don't know.
Oh no. I'm coming for you, Mythix.
This is a single shuriken.
I'm here.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
Coming down. Bah! Gone. All right. Onward.
This might not be fair.
Might. Might is a strong word. There's one more. Oh, it's back there. Got him.
Here he comes.
All right, onward.
Also, like how he.
And they're gone.
Hey, we're done.
No, not yet. He's gonna take all our stuff.
Beg, pray, beg, die.
Beg, pray, beg, die. Anyways, just launched a couple rockets and
I think once the missiles come back.
that was easy.
Say, which way is the ship?
Wait, did he drop an item? No, he didn't.
Did he drop an item? All right, Josh. Oh, right, take the portal.
Hang on, what did he say?
I don't know.
Shoot, I don't know how to get the text. Oh, well. You know where the ship is.
No, I don't.
Oh, I found a lunar coin. That's right.
Oh no. Void enemy? Oh no, that's the explodey McSplodey guys.
Explodey McSplodey. You can see me flying, 'cause I am.
Uh-oh. Oh hey, he dropped an item.
I'm currently at the ship,
Hold on.
waiting for you.
Yeah, I'm not exactly as fast as you are, thank you very much.
Bro, I stomped on Mithrix so hard. Don't take that into bad contact.
Pardon? Bro, am I a joke to you? Did I do nothing?
Absolutely.
Oh, wait, yeah, you have your ability. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, $1.
Whoa.
Weh.
Wait. Wait.
Wabbit season. Whoa. Ooh, item. Ooh. Ooh, an item.
You're having a lot of fun with those items. When I'm the one saving our lives.
What? Items.
What? Item. You gonna say no, your item?
What? I thought he'd buy it.
I thought, maybe he'd buy it.
Did you get bait on me first?
Alright, get in the ship, get in the ship. I am currently in the ship, and you're not. I'm leaving without you. See ya.
This is how it goes. Ya boy. Yippee. It would be funny if I was just standing on top of it.
That was a pretty fun vacation. What is that?
Is that his helmet, hat? What the hell is that?
No, it's way too big. It's like, look at the platform.
Look at the platform.
Man, that was a fun vacation. We should come back here sometime.
It is gone.
Ah, shit.
Oh. Yippee.
Congratulations, you won.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. So she left,
for my
ready to
luck.
take her shot. Why must the ending be so corny?
Ready to take her shot.
No.
You got Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson. What you got?
Bro, man, that was risky. I almost got rained on.
I
Twice.
wish I had a funny drum kit. Oh wait, I do have a funny drum kit. Skip.
We're gonna skip over that.
You
one.
definitely. Really? All right, dude.
Just...
Still recording. Still recording.
I'm still recording. Man, that was fun. Skip. Let's see who
man,
did
that was
what.
fun.
You got more points. Let's see what happened.
I got 979 kills. Over 1 million damage dealt. Most damage dealt 15,000. Oh, I got more kills than you did.
Yeah.
And you didn't get any minion kills.
You're banned.
And I did more damage. And I also did most damage dealt. Took less damage even.
I just felt like going with someone else, but of course, Bandit is the way to go.
And you had more
Everyone knows
purchases
it.
than I. And
Than
you had
me.
more items collected. So, moral of the story is, you suck.
It's moral of the story is that Bandit is good.
And now, I believe that is it. How fun. I had a great time.